Hey guys, Jaffry Ward here, and I'm about to teach you how to make $500 to $1,000 a week in free PayPal money. And I'm actually going to show you some free PayPal money of mine so you can actually know this is legit. And also, I'm going to give you my simple strategy to do it. So I already wrote the ad for you. I already gave you the pictures to use. For you. I've already set everything up for you guys. So the only thing you're really doing is just basically copying and pasting and putting this information in these groups. That's going to bring you a lot of traffic and get you a lot of referrals. I've done everything for you, so you definitely want to stay till the end of the video because I don't see anybody that's actually writing the ads for you, giving you proof that the ads work and actually giving you a step-by-step plan that I'm going to give you in this video. So you definitely want to stay tuned. So let me just go ahead and get started with this. Okay, so we're using apps that have bonuses to sign up with, and basically those apps have referral systems where you can actually refer somebody and you earn a bonus and they earn a bonus. So apps, I've been talking about these apps a lot of times on this channel, but I do have 8 other apps that you can use, that you can mix and match, and plus you can use this method with any type of referral system that you want to use it with. But I just like these. We didn't talk about Hoosh that much. Hoosh is a new cashback, but they only pay through like Walmart and Amazon, but it's an app worth noting because you earn $5 per referral. So these are the apps that you can earn $5 per referral with. Pay, and I'm gonna leave a link to this whole document where you guys can just come over here and copy and paste these into these groups. It's really simple. Pay, you get a $5 bonus when you link a card. So you get $5 when you link a card, and you can actually take a screenshot and actually use that to start promoting. Dash, you get $5 when you link a card. Society, you get $1. Hoosh, you get $5 when you link a card. For Dash, Pay, and Hoosh, you can link the same card. And the same card that I used to link to all of this was Chime. Chime is like a prepaid card. Simple is a prepaid card. If you have a bank debit card, you can use that. It's anything you want to use. But Chime and Simple works for all of these. Once you sign up for all of these, and once you get your initial $5 bonus, you can take pictures and then start promoting. I will give you an example of how this goes. So, Derek Adams, is the internet marketer in here. He's in the work for my smartphone group. There are a lot of these groups out here, literally thousands of these groups out here. I suggest you type work from home groups in, and actually join all of these groups because you're going to need them. He basically said, I found something that actually works. That's not a scam. Free Amazon card, free cards with proof. Ask me how. I'm helping the next 50 people. I actually didn't know what he was talking about, and I actually asked for info, and he introduced me to Hoosh. So people saying, oh, this doesn't work. I've been a referral of the people that are in these groups. You hear what I'm saying? A lot of people say, oh, your method doesn't work. I've actually been their referrals before. Anybody that's introduced me into these apps and they introduced me into ways of making money with apps, I actually learned about in this group, and I actually went through their links, entered in their codes, and became one of their referrals. So this works. So, the people that saying it doesn't work, it actually does work. So, and he got 30 comments in here, and the post went viral. It's still, I think, is at the top of the work from smartphone group. And he's put this in a lot of other groups as well. So, 30 people, let's just say 30 people signed up for Hoosh, and he was promoting Hoosh over here. So let's say 30 people signed up for Hoosh. And that's 30 times 5. That's $150 just by one post, not to mention how many other groups he posted in. So that's the same thing you're going to be doing. You're going to sign up for all of these apps, and what you're going to do is, I wrote this ad out for you. I said I found 4 money making apps that's actually not a scam. So all of these apps are not a scam. I've been paid by each of them, and I just show you proof. This is Pay right here. Pay is, you can see the cash back right here, $20 right here, and then another 25 right here. And if I go to Dash, okay, if I type in Dash Paid You, and you can actually see this is Vimo. They actually pay out through PayPal as well, but you can see $40 right here, $25 right here, $40 right here. This was on the 3rd, another 35, another 25, another 30, another 35, another 35, another 25. So they've actually been paid with these. And Society as well. If you go to Society, and my main method is basically, you can see right here, another $98 from Society. In Hooch, I've only earned $20 with Hooch. It takes $25 to get to a payout, either through gift card. But all of these apps are not scams, so you can just post this up in here. This is the actual ad. You just say, I found 4 money making apps that's actually not a scam. Pays free PayPal cash, pays free cash to your PayPal account, and gets unlimited Amazon and Walmart gift cards. They're talking about Hooch. Proof, ask me how. I'm helping the next 300 people get started, plus adding $5 bonuses. Come at your country. So you want to ask them to come at their country, because most of these apps are available in the U.S. Although I did come up with a way that you can actually use a mobile VPN if you're in another country. I'll leave that link in the description below. I'll leave that link to the video in the description below. And it actually shows you how to use it, how to sign up, how to do all that good stuff. So if you're in another country, you actually can still use this method. You just have to use a mobile VPN. Okay, but anyway, once they contact you for more information, once they put info, you probably want to message them, and you want to give them all 4 of these apps. So if they sign up for all 4 of these apps, because more than likely they're going to want to sign up. And actually, I added some payment proof that you can use. I'm actually giving you permission to use my payment proof. So this is all of the times I've been paid. These are the pictures. You can actually put this in the actual picture section like Derek Adams has in here. You can actually come in here and just use my pictures. I even added the pen up here. If you want to use this pen on Pinterest, you can actually download it. I'm actually helping you guys. I actually wrote the ads down to actually give you the payment proof to post in these groups. So when people contact you, they're going to see this proof, and they're going to say, hey, you probably want to cover up the name of the app or whatever, but they're going to say, hey, how are you making this money? And you basically just give them these apps. So if they sign up for all 3 of these apps, let's say $5, another $5, that's $15, $1 if they sign up for Society, which is $1. If they sign up for all 3 of those, that's $16. Let's say you get 30 people a day out of all the groups you post in. That's $480 in free PayPal money, and also free gift cards. So not only are you getting free PayPal money, but you're also getting gift cards. This is a simple way to make money online. Like I said, I'm going to add this actual ad right here, and I'm just going to put ad in front of it just so you can know what it is. Ad. And you basically come over here, you copy and paste this in each money making group. So he posted in one group, but I'm sure he posted in more. So you definitely want to post in, let's say 20 to 40 groups or even more. If you got a big hustle, just do maybe 80 to 100 groups. 80 to 100 groups, and actually post this ad in that group. You hear me? Just post that ad in this group. Once you post that ad in this group, you're going to start getting people interested into what these apps are. They, like I said, they message you, you send them your link, boom, you get paid when they sign up and link a card and do the referral. You want to actually explain the app to them, but more than likely, once you send them to the app, the App Store does a great job of breaking down what this app is and how you earn money and how you link a card, all that good stuff. But you want to explain a little bit more, just to tell them exactly what to do, like he did in here. He just basically said, link a card, all that good stuff, and simple as that. There you have it. I just helped you guys, and I'll leave this one to my other 8 apps that pay that with bonuses. So if you guys want to come in here and just mix and match apps and stuff like that and earn money with different apps, you can do that as well. The same thing is applies to this. So hope you guys go out here and use this information. I'll leave this link. Matter of fact, I'm getting ready to share it real quick. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to get the shareable link, and I'm getting ready to share it in this actual video. So you guys can come over here, copy and paste exactly what I'm saying, exactly what I'm doing, and earn some money with it. That's all I got for you guys. Peace out.